Today I'm going to tell you how to edit logo for social media. First of all, install Logo Maker app from Play Store on your mobile. Now open it. Open the app and scroll down to Business option. Click on See All. Now scroll and select one you like. As I like this, so I am using this. You can also change the main logo. Variety of logos available for free. Double tap on text to edit it according to you. As I am making for my TikTok, so I write business with iCar. You can also change font style as you like. I like this. Change colors and other features as you like. Now add your slogan under your name. Also edit this as you like. Always choose different font style for slogan. I need some background for logo, so I am changing the background. You can choose it transparent and use on any video or pic. Choose background that suits on logo. Change the size to fit in background. Variety of features available, can also use them. To watch more, subscribe. Thanks for watching.